I thought the freestyling rap class was a great way to kind of like share my emotions with some of the other people in the rap class.
And I learned a lot from the class. I mean, it talked about like ways you can get started with freestyling if you don't know like what exactly you want to do, and just gave a lot of fresh ideas that helped me come up with some of my own ideas how to express myself musically. One of these ways of rap, so it helped me a lot.
And lo and behold, I took this rap course, and look, it's hard trying not to rap right now, 'cause, man. Now I know how to rap. It's easy. It's just talking. It's just speaking from within yourself to a beat, and that's what rapping is fundamentally. And I didn't know that. Now I know.
I thought the class was a lot of fun. I've never done anything like it, so it was like a really good experience, and it was got me thinking like really creatively, and it was fun. Never done anything like it.
Hey, my name is Parra, and I've been teaching kids how to rap in jazz camp and in foster homes. And we just finished an ebook that explains the 4 steps that can it's been teaching anyone how to freestyle rap. And today we're in Empire 7, and we're teaching a few people how to rap. We're gonna see how it goes, see if they do well with the 4 steps.
I've never freestyle rap before.
No, I've never freestyle rapped before.
Okay, cool. All right, so we're just gonna do like these 4 steps, 4 simple steps, and you guys just like kind of repeat after me, and then we're gonna see how you guys do. Okay? Okay. So there's 2 golden rules when you're first starting out how to learn how to freestyle rap, and the first one is when you're starting out, don't worry about rhyming. So yeah, a lot of people want to rhyme. It sounds cool, but when you're starting out, just don't worry about it. The second golden rule is just don't stop.
I'm trying to talk this fast. Usually I don't talk fast. I talk really slow. And then today, after this, we're gonna go to Campbell and then walk around the streets and get something good to eat. Then we're gonna go back home and maybe watch a movie. I don't know, it'll be fun. Maybe watch the TV show Louie.
There you go. Okay. Last night we went to Saddle Rack, and man, that shit was whack. We danced in a line, and we had some fun, and we drank some stuff, and our friend got really drunk, and that was fun because she's a square, but that's okay because we were aware of the way that she was acting, and she woke up fine, and she's a dime, and we love her, and it was a great night.
You guys both killed it. Like, you guys are naturals. You guys just like flowed. Oh, that was awesome.
I think it was really fun. I think we broke it down pretty easily for us very beginners. And I think we'll accidentally freestyle rap all the time now.
Okay, so a little bit about my story. When I was 16, my friend Mark taught me how to freestyle rap in college. He was like 2 years older, and he was into a lot of underground hip hop, and I wasn't really aware, and he was a white guy always rapping. And before I was 16, I always kind of wanted to do music, but I was kind of insecure because I'm white, and I hung out with a lot of punk rock kids who told me that, I'm white and I shouldn't make rap music, or I shouldn't even listen to rap music. And obviously that's stupid, but yeah, I let it get to me, and I just was super shy. But then I met this guy Mark, and he gave me the 2 golden rules of how to freestyle rap. And then since then, I kind of used those 2 golden rules to write all kinds of songs, like guitar songs, folk songs, rap songs, and it's been awesome. So since then in college, we came up with these 4 steps that have been helping people learn how to freestyle rap. What are your guys' names?
Celeste. Sophia.
Okay, who are you in relation to me?
Your sister.
Okay, cool. And have you ever freestyle rap before?
No. No. I have a pet dragon, it drives a wagon, it breathes out fire and it never gets higher.
Okay, your turn.
Over the rainbow, under the bridge, I met a really, really, really fat pig. He said his name was Jerry, he was really, really hairy. He led me to the side of the road where he found a pot of gold. The gold was really old, but either way it was gold.
Yeah.
I have a
dog. It looks like a hog. It lays on the street like a log.
I went into space and flew past the stars, and I tried to go to the planet named Mars. I didn't know where Mars was, so I went past Venus and into the sun. Then I was done because I burned.
Okay. Hi, my name is Parra, and today I'm going to be teaching my grandma how to rap using my freestyle rap method. Do you have any experience with rapping before?
I've never rapped, and I have no musical experience besides. I used to play the saxophone badly.
Okay.
And when I was a child, I played the piano badly.
Okay, but you've never rapped before?
No.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to teach you how to rap. So we're going to get started with the first step one.
Today, I spent some time in my studio making a bass and not much else. Working with clay, I have fun. I don't know how to rhyme like my grandson. Well, I like your taste in sweet mango because that is such a good restaurant. And it's always fun to go out to dinner with you and try new dishes. We always seem to luck out with good tastes.
Yeah, it's always good taste. Doesn't even matter if the race is Thai, or if they're bi, or if they're male. I don't even care, I'ma just inhale that aroma of the sweet fish. It's a sweet dish, I put it in my face. It's like a sweet mix of flavors. I ain't a hater. Think about my girlfriend, I say see you later. Yeah, cause I really gotta go. I take her to a show or a movie, bro. Yeah, she likes to go to all kinds. It doesn't really matter, my girl's fine.
Sometimes I can't figure out your accent. You sound like you've come from another place, when I know I was there the day you were born. And it was right in this place, but something happens to your voice when you start rapping.
I get all the honeys cause I'm fly. Why? Cause I got a hair color unlike any other guy. It's red, even though some call it orange or copper. In the end it doesn't matter. If you got a girl, I'll stop her with my aphrodisiac. If she asks, my name is Pat, and I really rip the rap. Do you have an ass to tap? I can sit you on my lap and let you touch my naps. You can tell all your friends and they'll be sure to give you claps like, ooh, can I touch you out? You went out with him? His hair's so bright and makes the sun look dim. Can I be his friend? I heard he's nice too. I wonder what he's like up in the bedroom.